So coming to the next topic, that is relationship between elements of some simple curve. This is a diagram. You have a clear diagram in elements of simple curve. You can take that as a reference. Okay. So coming to the first one, that is length of the curve. That is T1, C and T2. So it is represented by the notation L. Since here the arc is considered, that is T1, C and T2, you can remember this formula. No need to write while solving. You need to just remember. In order to see that how your formulas arrive, you need to remember this formula. That is arc is equal to, arc formula is radius multiplied by the angle. So here arc speaks about your length of the curve. So it is represented by L and radius as R, angle as delta. So why here it is multiplied by pi by 180 degree? If your delta was in radians, you could have keep L is equal to R into delta. But here you need to keep delta in the form of degree. So because of that, you need to multiply delta, that is multiplied by 180 degree. Since it is in degree, you need to multiply delta as delta by 180 degree. Next, so the finally formula you arrive at is L is equal to R into delta into pi by 180 degree, and this is a final equation when the curve is designated by radians. Okay. So there are two types which I have told you: curve designated by the radians and the curve designated by the degree of the curve. And this equation typically, because here radius and radian your delta was considered earlier, so it is designated by radians. So coming to the next one, that is tangent length. Tangent length is nothing but, you can observe here this portion, that is T1V and T2V, both are known as tangents. Since both the tangents are equal, either you can take one of them, that is T1V or T2V. So in that triangle, since you want to find out the length of the tangent, that is T1 and V, and this radius is known. So if the radius is known and this portion you need to find out, so you can observe here. Here the delta by 2 is given. So this becomes your, I have separately written. So this becomes your opposite side. Here your 90 degree comes, means this